Okay, we're going to create a program that will allow us to search the news file, the news links table. It'll be in the public underscore HTML, and it'll have includes the extra site functions, extra connect, calls to connect, calls head start, calls head end, and then we've seen this before. It will assign a value to $ARR. If you have a get array, that becomes the ARR. If it has a post array, it becomes that, or if neither, it has NA. Call the head, called the division ID is index, call sidebar, have the division main. That's where we're going to put everything, is in the division main. What we're going to have is, if it does not have the keyword, that variable, and we're going to be using the get method. So if it does not have the get keyword, then it's going to get keyword. Let's see what's in that. Begin by just creating a function get keyword. It's actually just going to create a form. Name equals, in this case, search news links. Action equals $self, so we need to create a $self that's equal to the server PHP self. Close the form. Have the search news be the submit button, and in between that we're going to create the table. The table is going to have one row and two cells. The first cell is going to be search news links, and the second cell is going to be an input type equals text, name equals keyword, ID equals keyword, size equals 50. Alright, so that's all we're going to have for that. Now back to where we were in our main line. So if we don't have the keyword, we're going to call the command get keyword, call that function. Else, we're going to display news. Okay, now display news is going to send $ARR, that array, which of course will be the get array. And the first thing I'm going to do is text equals, and it's hard to read this, so I want you to take a look, percent, and then the curly brace, $ARR, bracket, single quote, keyword, and then in reverse, quote, bracket, curly brace, and percent. So $SQL equals select ID, display text, URL, pub date from news links, where display text like question mark or placeholder, order by pub date descending. Prepare the SQL, bind the parameter, $text is of type string, execute it, store result, bind the result to the four variables, and create ourselves a table. Column span is search results. It's a column span of 2 on the top. That's the table header. And then while statement fetch, I'm going to get the display text. I'm going to shoot the slashes out of that. Then I'll echo the pub date. The URL.php, new URL.php, does not exist yet. We still have to create that with ID and URL as the two get parameters being sent. Target is new. That's going to create a whole new page, and display text is what you're going to see here. All we got at the end is to finish the right side. So at that point, what we'll see, newssearch.php, is the news links box will be right here. You type in something like, say, Venezuela, you click on the search button, and in this case there's one example of a link on that. You look up on the top, you see keyword equals Venezuela. That's being sent by the get method.